Hey, it's Sheldon with TigerTough again. We're in a 2019 Ram truck, and I'm going to show you how to put some seat covers on the back seat. Okay, to take this headrest off, there's two tiny squares, one on either base of the headrest post. And what I'm going to do is take a straightened out paper clip and press it into this hole here and lift this side of the headrest, and then do the same on the other side. So I'm just going to press the paper clip in that little square and pull up on that same side of the headrest to release it, and then we'll do the same on this side here. Now I'm just going to press the button on the side of the headrest to fold it forward and lift it out of the seat back. The next step before we start putting the covers on is to take these two seatbelt receptacles and remove them from the elastic straps on the back of the seat. So I'm just going to pull them down. And then just pull them out of the elastic loop. Like that. Alright, now we're going to put the cover on the bottom of the driver's side rear. And to do that, I'm going to turn this cover most of the way inside out. This square will go on the bottom of the seat. And now I'm just going to pull the cover over top of the seat like that and just roll it down over the seat bottom. Now I'm going to take this flap here and push it between the seat back and the seat bottom. Now I'll just pull this tight and fasten it up here. There. Smooth out any wrinkles. And that's the seat bottom installed. Alright, now we're going to put the back on the driver's side. Again, just like before, turn the cover most of the way inside out. And then we'll just start fitting it over top of the seat back. Now that I've got it roughly on the seat, I'm going to wrap the cover around the headrest holes to hold it in place. Now that's going to hold the cover where we want it, and now I'm just going to work on getting the cover wrapped around the seat correctly. So I'm just pulling it down tight, and then on both the inside and the outside, these flaps actually will wrap around the back of the seat. Alright, I've got both of the side flaps pulled down level with the bottom of the back, and now it's just the one that goes down the middle. Having the seat bottom up like this gives you a little bit more room between the seat back and the back of the cab, but you'll need to work the bottom up and down as you go. Now that I've got all three flaps pulled down, we'll push this one through and then fasten everything together. So we'll pull this good and tight because it's what makes the front of your cover fit good. There, everything's fastened together there now, and now we'll just fix any wrinkles here. There we go. That's the seat back installed. Alright, now I've got the bottom cover for the passenger side, the wider portion of the seat, and I've already got it turned part way inside out, and we'll just proceed to put it on just like we did before. So what I've done is made sure that everything across the front right here fits nice and tight like it's supposed to. Once I'm happy with that, Then I will proceed to pull the cover down over the rest of the seat. And we'll just flip this up, and I'm going to push this top flap down through here. And then just like before, pull this tight and fasten it up there. There we go. That's the bottom. Alright, I've got the back portion of the passenger side now. This is the biggest piece and the most complicated piece because you've got this headrest molded right in here. So what I'm going to do is just take this cover and feed it behind the seat belt like that. And then we're going to put that right over top of that headrest to hold that where we want it. And then I'm going to do like we did on the driver's side and fasten it around the headrest holes as well. Like that. Now I'm going to work on fastening both sides like we did before, and then down the center. Okay, that side's wrapped around the seat. Now we'll do the same with this side. Alright, both sides are fastened. Now we will go down through the top. And it's pretty tight between the seat back and the cab, so you have to just push the cover down as far as you can and then get it from the bottom. Alright, I've got the cover pulled down here. It's just showing right where my hand is. Now I'll take the front of it, push it between the back and the bottom, and fasten everything together. There we go. That looks pretty good. It's not even fastened yet. Now I'm just going to start down here and work my way along the front, pulling everything down, and then just wrap it up the back. There we go. Now we'll take a look at the front, start out any wrinkles or anything that need to be fixed, which that looks pretty good. Then we will do the armrest. If your truck doesn't have an armrest, then your cover won't have this hole in it and you won't need to do this step. Right, I've got the armrest cover. The big hole in the top goes up for the cup holders, and this goes on just like the bottoms and backs did. When I get that partway on, I'm just going to take the loop here and run it through that hole in the seam, and we'll pull it on tight, just like that. And I'll feed this up through the back, and then this goes down in and gets fastened on like that. Okay, before we put the headrests on, I'm just going to put the seatbelt receptacles back in along the bottom. And that's as simple as feeding them back up between the seat back and seat bottom. just like that. Just slide them back into place, and then I'm going to put the cover on. This little flap is going to go in the front of the headrest, so that's the bottom side right now. Just fold that right inside, fasten the Velcro, and we're good.